Miami.
Hey everybody, I guess I'm feeling really brave today. My first time ever in Miami. Although I took the bike down and got the RV parked 18 miles inland, actually. I'll show you that later. But as you can see, the water's getting a little clearer, a little more turquoise. And there may be some other places with some public beach access. That's not my main goal today. My main goal was to bring the bike down so that I could explore a little bit of unique Miami with you all. How does that sound? Like I said, I've never been here, but 18 miles to get inland to the beach took 57 minutes. No, I didn't even record it. I'm not even sharing that with you, just so you know. It's nasty in Miami for traffic. I'll show you where I'm parked over here, though. See, there's the water, and they got this neat little boardwalk walkway. It's really pretty. Little shower area to rinse off your feet from the sand. Oh, and believe me, I tried my best to find free parking down here. Even did some research trying to find boondocking. Wasn't gonna happen. There's nowhere in Miami that I could find. But look where Felcor's parked. $3 an hour, and this is motorcycle parking only. So thank you for the cute little spot here in Miami. Let's go play a little bit more inland and find some grub. And yeah, this is not the best neighborhood to park, but I don't have a whole lot of options around here. Just gotta have some faith. The bike's locked up, secured. It's not gonna get taken away. Now, the parking thing, this is new. There's no meters to pay. This literally took me about 35 minutes to get the app to work and sync my debit card to it and make everything work. Hopefully, the pay by phone I can use in another city later on, because that was a hassle. $3 to park, 4 hours is $12, so we're good to go and explore now. Holy cow, that's bright. Pardon me, I was not in Miami. That was Miami Beach. Totally different city than where I'm at right now. Now I'm in Miami. Very colorful, artsy, fartsy Miami. Okay. Weird. Look at all this art. Love me, like me, mean it, kiss me, like you, miss me. I'm sorry for some of the language in there, but it's fun exploring these weird areas. There is an awful lot of art around here. This is crazy. I love it. SpongeBob. Every single corner has art on it. Wow, Miami Underground, all green, and a pink panther over there. Also, just the parking garage. Look at that. It's like a 3D racetrack all the way around the building. See, it doesn't always have to be natural beauty. There's a lot of weird man-made beauty out there, too. Or woman-made, or whatever. All right, and that's one way to explore Miami. Double-decker tour bus. I am taking so many pictures. Sorry, Instagram, I'm flooding you over there. Oh, it just keeps getting better and better. This might be my favorite one. The kitty cat, snake, deer, wolf, sea turtle, and a manatee. Wow, is that crazy or what? And you have to give everything a second look. Because see these pairs of eyes? Yeah, but if you get up close, there's huge flamingos and palm trees in her eye. I like that. All right, should we go check out this colorful bakery here? This bakery is crazy busy. Look at all the bread. And coffee. Just a little too busy for me, and I don't want to get copyright flagged for that song. Plus, I don't want to wait 40 minutes for a croissant. I want some real food. This one's not open yet. Coming soon. Okay. All right, here's a restaurant, the Camel. Maybe they got a burger. All right, a little fancier restaurant than I was planning on. They gave me a cup for my beer, but I'm gonna pass on that. And I got some cactus trees next to me. It's a nice place. All right, guess what I got? Pulled pork enchiladas.
I recommend you some tacos.
Scrumptious, some stuff. A little spicier than I was expecting, though. Hey, this tree has a face. Nice. It's a cool taco truck. It's a very disturbing Disney art. Okay. Huh. Art. Alright, who's this guy? Mr. Miami. Okay. Look, even Napa Auto Parts has artwork outside. So Eric, why didn't you go downtown Miami and explore? Because I just didn't feel like it. I don't have to. Doing something different. That's a colorful apartment complex there, huh? Wow. And you know, I've heard of bars on windows before, but this house has these huge metal plates. It says VPS on it. I've never seen it like that. And you are not getting into those windows. That's secure. I guess you kind of have to be in some areas. And I like that even the houses and apartments get involved in the whole art theme around this area. This is just somebody's apartment here. And it's pretty nice. Okay, not all apartments though. Wynwood Diner with the Pac-Man stuff. I like that. Yeah, copyright music everywhere though. What do you hear, man? Do you hear anything? Okay. Wow, that's awesome. I love Wynwood. Okay. So here we are at Wynwood Walls. Let's go take a walk through here. Okay. So Wynwood Walls is an actual... That's what makes everything so artsy-fartsy around here. Did not know that. I feel like the level of effort with that one kind of went downhill, though. It's weird, right? It's walking through art. Some of the stuff here is really colorful, too. Wynwood Walls with the kitty cat. And I did score a magnet inside the store there, but I'm going to wait to show you that till we get back to the RV here. This is possibly part of a casino, it says? Actually, I don't know exactly what it is. But that's nice. Wow. The time is always now. Is the time always now? It is always now. Ready to get your creep on? How creepy this stuff is. What the heck is wrong with SpongeBob SquarePants? Don't do meth, guys. Just don't. Not even once. Ooh, terrifying. See, guys, this is way better than just going downtown. That's neat. I mean, you know, because the kitty cat needs to go on the plane every once in a while. I like that. Okay, I need to go track down the bike, find out where it's parked, and get back to the RV, check in on Jack. So I'll show you once I get back to the RV what's going on and how I made everything work there at Bass Pro Shops is actually where I'm parked. But got about an hour ride. Yeah. All right, back safe. Got the bike put back up. This is where I'm staying here at a mall. I love the silhouette of the palm trees behind me, but that is Bass Pro Shop right there. And I already got the okay to boondock for the night, so that's good. Although, like I said, this is a mall. I did forget the name of the mall, but there's outlet stores and everything, and they got these, of course I don't see them now, but security things, guys, going around. And I already talked with a few of them and got 2 new subscribers, both mall security people. So that's cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do some urban camping because that's the way my schedule works now. It's like, well, for 1,000 trails, Florida only has those 2 that are 1,000 trails. The rest of them are all Encore, which is the thing you pay extra for, you know? So if you stay one night at an Encore, you still gotta be out for 7 days before you can come back to the system. So for me, you know, I'm generally what I've been doing since Orlando is staying 2 or 3 nights at those, and then I gotta stay out for a week. And that doesn't bother me at all. I like to boondock. I don't so much like to urban lot dock like this, but when there is no campgrounds available and I don't want to spend another $100 out of pocket all 7 nights when I don't need to. I don't need to. I don't need the power. I don't need water or anything. So yeah, my next video will be much different than this one, okay? Okay. Planes fly right over the RV. Buddy, man. You hanging out on my backpack? I was using this today. Does it smell like me? Is that why? Okay. Alright, man. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, sandwiches. Of the ice cream variety. I don't know. This is the boogie board that I got. Body board, I don't know what you really call them. Anyway, $10 at Walmart. Totally light. It's just styrofoam wrapped in whatever material that is. I will get a chance to use this eventually, right? Okay. Let me make some dinner. I'll get back to you guys. Just gonna leave me hanging there? That's it? Oh. That's it. Okay. And you know, I love how a lot of my magnets could mean nothing to so many people, have no significance, not even understand it. But Wynwood walls, put that guy right there. Very lightweight magnet there. I will never forget the artwork there, even though it's not a very colorful magnet. That's what that means. I like it. I'm opting for the pink outdoor mood lighting here tonight. It's changing things up. My next video, well, I told Jax today we're going to Mouseland tomorrow. He probably doesn't believe me. It's been a year since he's been to Mouseland. But anyway, we got to take care of that first and get it out of the way. So, have a good night, guys. Jax and I will see you from somewhere south of here in about 3 days. Bye, guys. Hey, no, that take didn't work. We have to do it again. I'm sorry. We have to do it again. I hate you, human. I hate you, human. All right. Wait. This poor guy. You put up with so much. I love you, man.